Why do we write? For me, writing serves as a way to communicate with my future self, ensuring that the thoughts, ideas, and information I've gathered are available when I need them most. This is where Emberly comes in. Emberly is an app designed to help you keep track of your notes and bookmarks using a simple mind map system. It's a refreshing alternative to other note-taking apps with their endless tags and nested pages that can quickly become overwhelming. Imagine being able to smoothly explore and organize your thoughts and ideas, staying focused on what really matters. Emberly was crafted to be minimalistic, yet powerful, carefully selecting the features that harmonize well together. Emberly offers helpful features that let you organize your thoughts visually. Take clear, detailed notes with the block-based notes editor. Link related notes together using backlinking. Collaborate in real time with friends and colleagues. Share and embed your work on various platforms. And boost your productivity with smart AI features. Emberly is my go-to tool for bridging the gap between my present needs and future goals, offering an easy way to navigate and organize my notes and ideas. Thank you for watching.